Hello, guys. Good day to you all, and welcome to the Unseen Edu Travel. This is actually our first video, so I don't think you would expect a cool video, but we will give you our very best. Well, this tutorial is all about Campus France, step by step guide on how to register for Campus France. So we will be giving you all the tips you need and also tell you all the documents needed so that you get them ready for Campus France registration. If you by any chance have been accepted in any of the France university, yeah, any of the France universities, you must have a Campus France account because without that, you can't be part of any institution in France. So these are the documents needed. Required documents for Campus France submission bachelor program. That is people going for bachelor program. This is what you need: a passport photograph. All these documents should be ready with you because you are going to need them for submission. You must submit them online. That is in Campus France website. You must submit them. So get your passport photograph ready. Your ID card, which includes your international passport, individual degree mark sheet, your transcripts, which you will get from your school, probably your WAEC, NECO, so for people in Nigeria actually. So, but this transcript is necessary for everybody. Then your admission letter, proof of approval, your admission letter. All these documents you need them to be ready before submitting for Campus France. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Yes. Here we go. Let's get started. As you can see, I downloaded a new Chrome browser for this tutorial. Chrome Beta, actually. That's what I use. And I would suggest you to make use of a Chrome browser in registering so that it will be easier for you to translate to English. Here, this platform provides you with a translator where you can choose English, Espanol, Portuguese, and all that. But I'm going for English. However, this is the link where you will go to, and this is the how the front page looks like. Of course, I'll provide in the link in the description box. So now you click on register. Okay, and this is not translating on your system on your PC laptop. Right click and scroll down to translate to English. Yeah, there you go. So here you can select your region. You know, Campus France, South Africa, Algeria, and Saudi Arabia, and all that. Well, I'm doing this tutorial from Nigeria, so I'm going to choose Campus France Nigeria. Here we go. And yeah, translate again. This is the major reason why I ask you to use Chrome browser so that it will be easier for you in terms of translating. That is, if you don't understand French. Yeah, it asks for email address. Whoa, okay. The Unseen Edu and Travels at gmail.com. Control Alt to highlight all and Control C to copy. To paste it, Control V. Yeah. And here it requests for last name. My last name. Okay. Chuku Mielo. Yeah, that's my last name. Surname. Okenwa. And my first name. Gabriel, and gender, male. Date of birth, is that really necessary? Well, that is just it. Okay, country of birth, where you were born. If you're not born in your country, you can choose where you are born. Of course, this is a plain English, and I believe that everybody understands it. So, place of birth is Nigeria. Country and territory of birth, place of birth. Okay, you can also put Nigeria or maybe your state or your city, anything there. Let me just put my city. So here you have to choose a country or territories. Okay, nationality is Nigeria again. So you know where you are born and everything to fill up here. So that's it. ID type. This is where I asked you to get your ID card ready. Choose passports. And here you have to put your the expiry date of your passport. So sorry for the delay. I'm not having it offhand, but I guess I have it now. Yeah. Okay. 27th of August 2023. That is it. And here your passport number. So I don't think this is necessary for you guys to see. So well, that's just it. Yeah. Okay. Countries and territories issued of an okay. This is the country where your ID card, that is your passport, is issued to you. Still here in Nigeria, so I'm going for Nigeria. Yeah. And you also toggle this on. Yeah, I accept that the information entered will be used as part of the application procedure in studies in France. I can also create my account. So your account creation is being processed. An email will be sent to your email address. So I just got the mail now. So open it and click on the verification link to get it. Sorry guys, I was actually interrupted by my sister. So from the verification link sent to you on your email, then it will bring you to this page. Click to add your email. Unseen Edu and Travels at gmail.com. And here your password. This is where you create new password. You have the opportunity to create new password once you click on that link. So I will using a simple password, but of course I will still blur it so you guys won't have access to it. Okay, so I'll be using, okay, it's not clear. So it says it must be 8 character. So you must have all this, have at least one lowercase and all that. So just read this and follow the instruction to set up your password. So click on confirm creation and it takes you here. You can save your password. Okay, yeah, verify that it's me. Whoa. Okay, so ask me for verification to set my password. So here it is. Here's the next page you see. So right click again and translate to English. Here, continue to it's on in front sometimes. Here is the now brings you to the back to the home page again. So now you click on login. Okay. You see the reason why I asked you to use Chrome browser for easy translator. Okay. So here click on I am accepted. So click on I am accepted, yeah. And once done, click here. Choose a paper acceptance received outside of the etudes in France application. Yeah, just choose this. Then click on add. And if you are studying in a private university and something like if you're studying in ESTYA University, Paris, here is where this is how you can make set up your profile. I'm using STI University as an example because that's where I'm currently studying. So, but if you are in government school, you can also, I will teach you all how to go through it and all that. Okay, so here it writes, I select the case that concerns me. I receive a paper acceptance from a training which is in my application files. I am in a different case. So click here and click graduate student. That is if you are going for bachelor program. So click on graduate section. Okay. So since you are a private institute, private university such as Estia, click on I did not find my training in the category. Now here is where you put in your details. Okay, school training. Okay, ESTYA University, University. Okay, year of entry. Okay, let's just say 1 year. Yeah, level degree 4, domain. Okay, which is you now choose what you're studying. I'm studying computer science actually. So that's it. Degree type. This is bachelor. So that's it. After that, you have to click on find my find a so guys, then click on this find a French establishment. Okay, so search the name Estia University. Okay, search. Unfortunately, this is what you will find if you are using a private going for a private school, private all this. So just click on establishment. Establishment should be STIA University as well. That is the school that you are applying for. So if it's a private school, you just have to enter it here. Then town is at Paris, and then save. You can see it's now here. So then start date. Okay, for this section, yeah, we are starting on the 7th of March, yeah, 2022. And since it's a 1 year section that we entered here, it will be ending around October or so. So let's just go for 31st of October, 1st of October, which is okay, then 2022. So here you have to explain your reason why you want to study in STI University. You know, what motivates you and all that. So This is what you write here, and then click on save. All right, just write it down. Okay, let me just say something of this. Okay, uh, I have loved computers and it's and internet or something. I'm not sure. Internet since child childhood. Okay. Actually, it's not what you write here. I'm just trying to explain to you that so that you know that you will have to describe, make them understand the reason why you want to study at ESTYA University in a private institution, why you want to study, why you want to make use of Campus France. So this is the reason, and this is where and how you enter it. Okay. Then after that, click on this. I don't think it's clickable. Okay, it's not clickable. Then save. That's it. Here, okay, as you can see, it needs a proof of acceptance before proceeding. This is why I asked you, this is why I told you to get your documents ready before getting all these things, before getting yourself uh, in registering to this Campus France. The documents, everything must be ready. Well, I can't be submitting any documents for now, so I'll be closing it maybe later. Okay, I really need it, lack of proof. So I need to put it before heading over to the next phase. So that's just it. So let me see if I can find one. Okay, Unseen Edu and Travel. Okay, 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 okay. Don't worry, when I get it, I'll put it and I'll bypass this area. I'll get back to you guys shortly. Okay, guys, welcome back. Um, Unfortunately, this is where I will be stopping in this video. Well, I just showed you guys how to create a Campus France account for bachelor program, and I don't have the credentials needed here to bypass here because this is a tutorial video, and I can't possibly put my school account, my STR, my Campus France account here because it's a it's a personal something. It's concerning my school, and I can't put it here. I can't put it at risk for this video. Okay, so I'll be stopping here for now. But following the step, trust me, you are good to go. Every other thing that comes next is more easier than you think, and of course, I believe that you can do it. Meanwhile, congratulations on your admission to France. I welcome you all to France. I welcome you all to Campus France. See you guys soon in our next video. Thanks a lot for choosing the Unseen Edu and Travels. We will also keep you updated and with some of our videos, with schooling ideas, traveling ideas. Of course, you can always count on us because we are here to provide help for you people. Thank you for once more for choosing us. We remain loyal, and we would like it if you can click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to be getting every of our updates as soon as we update any. Thank you once more.